Hey, what up everyone? My name is Fanuel. I'm with my co-host here, Prince, as we're coming you to another exciting episode of Soccer Forensics.
Nandi for the boy.
Sweet man.
Oh, good, my boy.
Allah.
Welcome, guys. Welcome to Soccer Forensics. This is a platform where you guys get the latest football news from Orkanti up until Ekasi, Nstolas Shisa, Nstolas Bawala. My boy.
Donna.
Spatashang and Fandak.
Fandak Donna, I want us to check in the transfer news.
Okay.
Surrounding the Soweto Giants.
Okay.
So but Funa siqale siye iNaturen check all these goalkeepers that are linked with Kaizer Chiefs. So as we know that Kaizer Chiefs, they are looking for a goalkeeper right now.
A goalkeeper, yeah.
I believe each and every agent would like to link with his or her goalkeeper with a move to Naturen.
To Kaizer Chiefs?
Yeah.
I'm going to each and every agent.
Obvious. Hey. Obvious. Wonke ama-agent ntwana isikhathi sawo sokuthi bahlafune.
Bangene dani.
Unokwenza imali manje uyangithola noma ngabe ugoalkeeper onjenjani na ungakuthatha manje ngithi hey ngiphethe umunye ugoalkeeper kahle ngilahlela lapha uyangithola.
Ayifeli boy. Siringa ngabo bani.
So ngifuna siqale ngolo ntwana there's this Nigerian goalkeeper wathi uJafet Opuba.
Jafet Opuba.
Yeah, he's playing for Lobby Stars in Nigeria.
Okay.
So he's playing for Lobby Stars in the Nigerian Premier League.
Okay.
So
this guy has been playing Lape Nigeria for his whole life, ne?
Yeah, he's been playing there. Then you look at Chincha la team all up here.
In Nigeria.
Yeah, and then now they are facing relegation, sitting on 20 position. Yeah.
Umuntu nemlanda yo.
Asimlan actually like at the start of this video I told you that each and every agent will like to offer riding wabu to Kaizer Chiefs.
To Kaizer Chiefs.
Yeah, I'm told.
Number 20 on the log.
So mawungabheke kahle yes. Bokulimaza.
Amastats wakhe boy.
Amastats wakhe ntwana 12 games.
12 games.
Yeah, 2 clean sheets. So the whole league was like 12 games.
Yeah, ngoba bona badlala 38 matches, 30 to 48
then
to 40
managed
matches,
to keep 2 clean sheets, which means it's not the first priority most likely Lobby Stars.
Obvious, yeah.
So come on, man.
Obvious, but then Mount checker if lama stats if ubheka lama stats ngalama match wakhe lawa adlalile.
Yeah.
As an individual, I think they are wonderful, boy. In 12 matches.
Mara nihlezi number 20 nje. So come on, dog.
Yeah, I feel another one.
Another one that I want us to check Umalian Diarra, the young African goalkeeper.
Yeah.
He's also 30 years of age. He's playing for Young Africans. Young Africans is sitting on number 1 on the log.
In Tanzania.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
that's promising.
Yeah.
For him, that's promising. I think you guys should be opting for him instead of the Nigerian.
Yeah. Manga atobheka kulabo aboyithu vele ngathi kungaba uyo ngathi
uyo. But then mina nginenkinga you guys niyachacha le yangale hey
manje wena ukhalelani ke khona nina ngichacha iSuper Sport asikazi sathi sinenkinga 70% of your squad it is Super Sport United players.
Development sihamba sonke sePitori ntana kanti why
sengiyasho nje
ungangeni zasePitori boy
sengibhala alansa which means now ungazingena zaseNaturen now. Yeah, so landa na besa check indaba yaka Diarra. So
yeah,
he's 30 years of age, so he's playing for the Young African side. Okay. They're number 1 on the log. So I think
those are the 2 goalkeepers.
Yeah, the foreign and goalkeepers.
Oh, foreign goalkeepers.
Yeah, so
okay, so if Bafaka a foreign goalkeeper, they'll take out a foreign goalkeeper as well.
Obviously, Fia Kentor is facing an exit.
So Mtwari is gonna be out now.
Yeah.
Okay.
So yeah.
And then any local goalkeepers?
The local goalkeeper in Donald will be Ronaldo Lena. He's playing for Sekhukhune United. So as you know, Sekhukhune angeke ngisichaze uyasazi mos. He's a great goalkeeper now. We are Ronaldo Lena. So yeah.
I feel. You know, I thought like you guys would be gunning for the cheaper United goalkeeper. No.
Ronaldo Lena, he's 27 years of age.
27. Yeah. Okay, so he's still young.
Yeah, he's still young. So
okay. It makes more sense.
Yeah,
it makes
I think
more sense.
He still have a lot to offer.
To offer for the team. Yeah.
So yeah.
I think
the cheaper United goalkeeper.
Yeah.
Stanley Nwabali.
Yeah.
I come on, man.
You guys like Kaizer Chiefs fans?
No.
Comment section.
No, bro.
Nwabi is like he's performing.
Kaizer Chiefs need goalkeeper who is comfortable on the ball, who will be able to start building from the back. I'm told. No, not good to wear and mind you. So come on. Fela ukuthi bazokushaya ngamashoti loku obayisho stop lapha yakulawa aqondane nawe.
But then
akwenzi great goalkeeper lokho.
But then they wouldn't choose him as their number one goalkeeper, international goalkeeper number one. If he wasn't
uba nomunye bawulanda upuba.
Bawulanda upuba.
So
upuba khona.
Lento le ngayisho ngo riding. I once told you ngovela imoto wamaZulu. I think it was last season. He's a great goalkeeper. Ngathi mina bamshe lo muntu lo ubamba amabhola aza kuye straight. Then then a season after it zaqala ukuvela manje bamshaya sensenthali.
Okay, my boy, that's like your goalkeeper list transfer players that are linked with Kaizer Chiefs, ne?
Yeah.
Okay. Any players ngibone indaba ngomduduzi Sereno as well, and then no Matlo.
Josh Matlo.
Yeah, Matlo is said to be going with you guys in
Netherlands. Yeah.
But I'm like confused ngoba contract yakhe iphelile.
So to expect, wish me into their playing into
to renew it.
Yeah.
Is it a good thing though?
Yeah, it's a good thing.
Is he like a valuable player for Kaizer Chiefs?
Yeah, Matlo and he's a great player, man. I feel like if Begnasia my injury last season and could have helped us so ilente my injury yambambezela.
But then the same thing has to be said ngomdu naye they are complaining but he might exit lapha island.
Angeke as a exit.
But then
these are just rumors.
Untwana bathi akekho happy mos.
Ubani?
Coach wakho
come on,
performance yakhe
like
because he's been like injured. Why
I've been saying this because Kaizer Chiefs and they need to sign quality players so right they stop to rely on these young boys
no?
Because angeke uzuthatha umthwalo ongaka playing as number 10 for Kaizer Chiefs,
the whole Kaizer Chiefs,
so and he's only 21 coming from TDC.
Yeah.
So uzomthwesa umthwalo alongaka obvious mntwana angeke
the way you explaining it, yeah, it makes sense.
Elebeze ngama-sub. Yeah, like introduce kancane wazi ukuthi you do have a special number 10.
Yeah.
Abalandu chef ambeke lapha. Simple.
And then untwana Sereno.
Gaston Sereno, you're facing lezi SARS manje baba
zilanda
ngapha. So Gaston Sereno then is facing any riding lapha is owing SARS 6 million.
6 meter yonke.
Sure.
My tax returns.
Yeah.
Ntwana, like, is he a flashy type of player on the socials? Like Kamba, like why would sales target him? Like he's
been ignoring those notice.
Okay.
Obvious, mabakuse ever notice ntwana kumele nawe uzikhuphule. Okay. Yeah, obvious because like these scandals kudala sizibona nabo kama player athi bazifacile and ngathi like direct ishala ama player buya ku Sundowns abaholi sharp ne So yeah, like ama-billiard yamahama Justin Sereno ngithola bonke babuya ngara Mamelodi Sundowns. So zifika ngapha Kaizer Chiefs I said manje babona ziphethe yonke ziya-afforda manje then kwamele izibhadale.
Speaking of Mamelodi Sundowns,
I'm just kidding. Ngoba ngiyanazi nina comment section. Yeah, of course it's something to do with Mamelodi Sundowns. Come on guys.
All this, it has to do with how you spend your money, guys. And paying off literally each and everything that you have to in cash if you're doing large sums of amounts. When we're moving to Sundowns, when you're speaking of Sundowns, I think we saw how Sundowns was. It's on the Club World Cup right now. We're not looking at signings as yet.
Sure.
At this moment, we're still focusing on the Club World Cup, but we already know that Umbule is out of the squad. Rivaldo Kosia is also out from the squad. And then the lastly is Suarez. Yeah.
Suarez, I'm sure he was a lonely player, so he's compared to his parent club. He failed to convince Mamelodi Sundowns.
Not Mamelodi Sundowns only. You guys, none. When I'm
because it's like he's been offered to Mamelodi Sundowns.
When I'm saying none,
it's been loaned to Mamelodi Sundowns. So he failed to convince Mamelodi Sundowns.
When I'm saying nani, I mean like the whole PSL. The whole PSL.
Tena baba sine idala phaya bo Dudley. So ngiyuzofuna nabo Suarez phethu Dudley. Shawshile potela za hotel. So relax.
So those are like the exits of Mamelodi Sundowns so far. But we saw an interview that our coach was speaking of transfers as well. Like, are we looking on adding on players or Ranjani? He just, before he left for the Club World Cup, but he just touched on like recruiting from EDDC. I'm sorry.
Sure.
Of which is a good thing. I think South African teams needs to grow like South African players. Like these young kids needs to come on the upper tier of the league.
Sure.
Badlale with the big guns. I don't know. You wanna add anything, my boy?
Regarding, we have to touch in the Avaga riding, or maybe you speaking
regarding his Sundowns.
Sundowns and Donna. They are busy collecting those money there. They are collecting those millions.
The Club World Cup,
the Club World Cup, and then they've managed to accumulate over 200 million.
200 meters. So it's a good thing because
it's a good thing for them, dog.
For us, because those the very same large sums of cash will be injected back to the transfers after the Club World Cup. We'll be using the very same cash to source out players. Maybe it's not Vuga no Maye.
Now our then Beniti Pebatin is over 45 meter up and Nimland the Pajana upper Gunama Rumas Umayele. Sakake appealing a movie with Zimzan has been offered to Kaizer Chiefs and Kaizer Chiefs rejected him. So I think Manje is sitting on Kaizer Chiefs rejecting show. Elumayele has been offered to Kaizer Chiefs. Magasadla Young Africans.
I mean like now.
Then no.
So
before Ayagu pyramids. So Uche can do and then I'm moving along. Then I want us to check and touch in the Captain number 2K. Relebogile
Mofokeng. Pirates, ne?
Kaizer Chiefs. Relebogile Mofokeng is rumored to move out to Maccabi.
Maccabi.
Yeah.
The 1 year that in Israel, ne?
Yeah. I too love Maccabi. When Maccabi what? El Taviv ne Maccabi what right?
Yeah, El Taviv. Yeah.
So so.
But then the one that he'll be moving to is on the Champions League now, yo. It was playing there. He confed your corner though.
Yeah, so he's a wanted man on the Israel side. So what's your take on that?
My take on this, my boy, I don't know, Dan. I think this boy should be gunning to. I started the way our players are starting.
Yeah.
Like most of these South African players, when they move from here, going to Europe, they start the Elente Belgium.
Yeah.
In Belgium, it gives you more view of how the international space is.
Yeah.
And it's not a demanding type of league.
Yeah.
Where you'll be placed on the spotlight, you have more time to grow and less pressure there. And then once you
making money while you're still playing.
You're still playing there, yeah.
Invest all your money there.
Yeah, and then while you're making your own moves, your upper ranks there, and then you're going straight to the Premier League.
Yeah.
I think every player like Africa wants to play a Premier League. If not the Premier League, La League.
Yeah.
Those are like the two top
leagues.
That's just my take on that. Where do you want to see him, my boy?
And then I think Manchester I feel like not Manchester, you already in my mind. Yeah, because like imagine moving like Kingdom is a great player.
Mm-hmm.
So moving him from South Africa to Israel, then I try, yeah, man.
Yeah, we're making money, but nakona.
But like
he's still young. He's still young.
So like the channel to Premier League. As we should also we Belgium. At least riding a Belgium than we've seen in Abu Pizita.
Abu Pizita moving there to the Premier League.
Abu Anel by his soul rest in peace.
Yeah.
So So
yeah, as I said, like most of our own born bred South African players, they move to Belgium, and it all works out proper for them. Yeah, that's just that. Just comment down below, where would you like to see Mfikeng playing at? Hey, this boy, he's not supposed to be still here on this coming season, opening season.
Sure.
Lastly, I want us to touch on the playoffs, my boy.
Yeah.
So, yesterday, Cape Town City was playing against the Castric Stars.
Yeah.
There was drama there, my boy. There was drama. The Castric Stars, they got a penalty on the 95th minute.
Yeah.
And then abayisavanga my boy.
Ngishira ukuthi like base evile ukuthi basane way ukuthi bangaqhubekela phambili with the playoffs.
Yeah, with the playoffs, because now it's very very tight, because now Cape Town City is playing there. It was playing with Cape Town City. So when I was checking at the log was saying they all have 2 points as of yet. I'm talking 3 matches that have to be played, but one each. Each team has to play like one match each. I'm talking of which it's kunzima kunzima. You have your Catholic Stars lapha, Orbit College nayo lapha, and then you have your Cape Town City
So do you think Cape Town City will make a way to come back?
Looking at their matches, I think they would, but I think I want new blood, my boy.
They have 2 points now. Yeah, all of them.
Yeah,
2
all
points.
of them.
To match
All
played.
three, yeah.
I Zekala. Zekala, Zegula speak.
Ziggy loudspeaker, and now it's the final thingy, the final matches. These are like the decider matches, basically. I'm told.
Sure.
So also Cholang 3 points. Whereas with 200 gone.
Sure.
So me now I wanted to see Orbit, and I wanted to see Orbit College. Mara na mama change le gama labo kahle kahle.
Orbit College.
Ngicabanga sebathi ngiphethe Orbit College lapha ku PSL. Orbit College PSL.
Sizodlala nama college.
But either way, that's the update on the playoffs.
Sure.
You wanna add anything, my boy?
No, then I feel like we've touched everything that we're supposed to touch for this video. Yeah, from me to you. One love, peace.
Soccer Forensics. We out.